Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon for latest update. Welcome to my AIDE tutorial 7.1. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to set up a customized toast button. In previous tutorial 7 we have created a toast button and where we ourselves type the message for the toast, but in this tutorial we will give user to type their own message and show it in the toast. Let's start. First go to AIDE, click on for export, new Android project. Let's name this project customize toast. Change the package name. Click on create. Then we'll first edit the XML layout, remove the gravity and add orientation that will be vertical, and change this edit text view to edit text and remove this text to we'll add hint, enter your own message. Let's set toast message. Then add ID, and now create another button so that whenever user click on that button a toast message will appear. Let's add button. Just copy this layout and add with ID and text to show the button name. Let's name create toast. Let's see the layout. Okay, it's done. Now let's go to main activity.java. After the public class main activity extend activity, add edit text. Let's name it ET and button. Let's name it BTN. Then after the R layout.main type ET, will add find view by ID. Sorry. We'll add find view by ID. Let's add ET equals to edit text bracket find view by ID, that will be r.id.edit. Then import button btn by button find view by ID r.id id dot main button. Now we'll set on click listener on the button so that toast will appear. Type button dot set on click listener, that will be new view, import view dot on click listener. Let's import view. Then click on the curly bracket and implement all abstract method so that method will appear automatically and you don't need to type. And then after the public void on click view p1, type string text equals to txt et, sorry, we have type et for the edit text, and get text dot get text dot to string, add semicolon, and now add toast to appear. Type toast dot make text bracket main activity dot this, and start comma, and then type text bracket comma, and type toast dot length short, and close the bracket and semicolon, not semicolon, sorry, dot, so that toast will appear, and close by semicolon. Okay, then start curly bracket, and now it is done. Let's build the app. Click on install. Let's open the app. You can see enter your own toast message and create toast button. Let's add our own toast. Subscribe, like, and share this video, and let's click on create toast. You can see subscribe, like, share this video. Thanks for watching. For more AIDE tutorial, go to my playlist and hit the bell notification icon so you will be notified about every new video.